I did the little baby hair, a little swoopty swoop, you know what I'm saying? Did my little baby hair magic, pluck the lace and all that. And if y'all would have seen this, what this wig looked like before, baby, I did my big one with this wig. Like,
it's not a game, it's a rich thing.
okay, y'all, so let's get right into this unboxing. This wig is from Amazon, so of course it shipped in like 2 days, and it came in this little package. Once I took it out this package, this is what it looked like. It came in this bag with a wig cap, and that says natural black 20 inches deep 13x4 lace, style, size, and color. Okay, says thank you for choosing us, 100% human hair and best quality. Add our store to your list to get more discounts. Yeah, so that's what that says. And y'all, I know my nails look a hot mess. Please not too much on me, because I did have them fixed in the next clip, but y'all, yeah, not too much. So it came with the wig cap per usual, and then it came in this little bag, little protective bag. That's 20 inches, so that's what it looks like straight out the bag. When you take it out the bag, it has his hairnet on it per usual. That's what it's looking like. It has a little bit of body to it. It's moving. And I don't want this to be a super long video, so I'm gonna show you guys the wig after I bleached it, and then show you guys the wig installed. This is the inside, and this is what the part with the lace looks like right here. It said this was a 13x4, but I think this is a 13x6 because I did measure the lace. So this is the wig after I bleached it. I haven't plucked it yet. I'm gonna pluck it right now, and then after that I'm going to install the wig. So yeah, that's what the wig looks like. I did deep condition it with silicone mix, and I used the Adore clear dye, crystal clear dye, to give it some shine. So, you know, the wig looks really good right now. It's really soft. The curls are bouncy. It's full right now. Like, it looks really good. And this is what the length of the hair looks like. So yeah, it looks really good. The lace, as you can see, it's not transparent, it's not HD, but I mean, it still looks good if you ask me. I did notice though that once I bleached the knots, it does look a little thin in there. Like, you know, I didn't pluck anything yet, so that's just how it looks. But one thing I do really like is that the lace is really deep. Like, I can do a part that's really deep because the lace goes back to all the way back here. And let's see if there's any shedding. See, with this hair, I don't really want to do the shedding test because that messes with the curls, but since I'm about to install it, I could just re-wet it and put some curling product in it. So let's go ahead. That's the first one. I think I got like 2 strands from that. Yeah, I got like 2 strands.
One. Just a few more pieces.
Okay, so the wig is not shedding crazy. Like, it's not shedding crazy at all. So that is a good thing. Inside, there's also these 3 clips. One right here at the back of the part, and then 2 right here on the side. And then there's also one right here in the back. I always see this little piece right here and I really don't know what that piece is for, y'all, if I'm being honest. Like this little lace piece, I don't know why that lace is always right there. Yeah, I don't know what that's for. But in addition to the clips, there's these little things right here that you can use to tighten the wig. I just recently noticed that wigs be having these, and they do help keep the wig on your head instead of like having to install your own band. So that's what that's for. And yeah, y'all, I just really do love this lace. Like the lace, if this is a 13 by 4, I don't know what kind of measurements they doing, but I'm not complaining because the deeper the lace, the better it is for me, because I could do a deeper part and I feel like that looks more natural than, you know, a part like this wig that stops right here. If the part's going all the way back here, I think it looks more natural. So I do like that about the wig. And if y'all want to see a close-up of the lace, I don't know if it's focused, but that's my hand that you can see through it. So like I said, right in here, it does look really thin to me, but once we install it, we'll see what it really looks like. And that's me not doing any plucking to it. So this is one of the ways that I would style the hair. I'm gonna have to fix this and blend this out. But yeah, so this is how it's looking so far. And what I'm going to do is do my makeup off camera and then come back and show you guys the finished product. Yeah, look at that lace. The lace looks good, okay? I did my makeup, then I styled the hair. This is how I decided to style it. I think this style is really cute, y'all. In style, really chic, like, and then, you know, you see the baby hairs. Like, I think this is really cute. So this is how I styled my hair. This is MIRONICA hair on Amazon. They sent me this wig. This is 20-inch deep wave 13 by 4 lace. 20 inches deep wave 13 by 4, yeah, and then 150 density. One thing I will say is that I wish the hair was a little bit more full, but I mean, with the 150 density, this is what you get, and this is not bad for that density. The curls curled up, the ends curled up very nice. I did go through with my Denman brush. This is a Denman brush, if you guys don't know, and I did brush my ends and kind of curl my ends and then, you know, scrunch them up. So that's how I did that, and this is how it turned out. The lace looks really good. It said it was a 13 by 4, but like I mentioned before, I think this is a 13 by 6 lace. So yeah, this is what it ended up looking like. And y'all, I do like this hair. I do recommend this hair. On a scale of like 1 to 10, I would give this hair probably like an 8, because this wig, this is a good wig. For the price, this wig is like $111. I mean, for the price, look what you get. This is a good wig, so I do definitely recommend that you guys shop this wig. I'll have the link in my description. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Anything you want to say, any comments, you want to chit chat, anything, you know, just let me know in the comments. Make sure you save this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more hair reviews and more hair installs. And thank y'all so much for watching. Bye. Into the details. Yeah, he eats.